Some people believe that the first man at the North Pole is Robert Peary in 1909. Here is his story. Robert Peary is a good explorer. He has a lot of experience. When Peary is 50 years old, he wants to go to the North Pole. He prepares a big expedition. The expedition has 90 people and 250 dogs. They must go 800 kilometers to the pole. When they are at a distance of 250 kilometers from the pole, Peary sends home many explorers. He continues with 5 assistants. On April 6, 1909, he tells his assistants that they are at the North Pole. He takes a photo of his group. After many years, a man who studies his diary finds some mistakes in it. The mistakes show that Peary probably isn't the first person at the North Pole. The first person who comes to the North Pole on foot is probably Wally Herbert in 1969.